Hello, and welcome back. This is English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely, and I am happy to spend this quiet moment with you. Thank you for listening today. Please take a slow, deep breath. Today, we are talking about something very important. We are talking about time. Specifically, we are talking about how we can value our time and how we can make each day meaningful. This is a very big idea, but we will explore it with simple, clear English. Time is a great mystery. It is a gift. Everyone, everywhere, has the same amount of time each day, 24 hours, no more, no less. But why does some time feel wasted? And why does some time feel truly special and useful? Please stay with me until the end. We will learn how to change empty minutes into meaningful moments. We must first agree on one thing. Time moves fast. It moves very fast. Sometimes we finish a day and we feel busy, but we stop and we think, what did I actually do today? Sometimes the answer is nothing useful. We let the minutes pass by. When this happens, we do not value our time. To value something means to think it is important. When you value your time, you decide what you want to do with it. You take control. You stop just letting time happen to you. You make time work for you. So, how do we begin? We start small. We start with small steps. You do not need to change your entire life in one day. You only need to change a few minutes. Think about your day right now. Perhaps you have 60 minutes free. We can call these meaningful minutes. The power of small steps is enormous. Let us say you want to improve your health. Maybe you think, I need to run for 1 hour. This is a big step. Maybe this goal is too big for today. Instead, let us use small steps. Take just 5 minutes to walk outside slowly. 5 useful minutes. You did not waste that time. You used that time for your health. If you are learning English, you know the feeling. Learning a new language is hard work. It takes many, many minutes. But if you try to study for 4 hours straight, you will feel tired and overwhelmed. Try this instead. Today, I will study just 10 new words. That's 10 useful, focused minutes. When you finish those 10 minutes, you feel good. You used your time with intention. You made those minutes meaningful. You respected your own time. The secret is this. Meaning is found in the action, not the clock. A 2-hour movie that you do not enjoy is less valuable than a 5-minute walk you truly needed. To find these useful minutes, we must have focus. We need to decide what is important right now, today. These are your goals. A goal does not need to be a huge life dream. A goal is just a purpose for your day. Maybe your goal is to finish one difficult email. When you focus on that email and finish it, you used your time well. Your time was purposeful. It had value. Remember this idea. When we feel overwhelmed, it is usually because we are trying to manage tomorrow's time and the next week's time and the time we lost yesterday. Stop. Look only at your time right now. Use this moment. It is valuable. Your time today is strong and important. It belongs to you. Do not let your precious minutes leave without giving them a purpose. When we focus on today's small, meaningful actions, we feel successful, we feel in control, and that feeling builds confidence. We have talked about how to make our time matter. Remember, time moves fast. Do not just let it pass by. Take one small, purposeful action today. Do something you choose. Do something that helps you or helps someone you care about. Your minutes are important. Your hours are a gift. Value your time. Respect your time. When you value your time, you show the world that you value yourself. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. Have a beautiful and meaningful day. Goodbye for now. We will talk again soon.